Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Nara, Japan.
Nara? Wow. I have always wanted to visit Nara.
Then, today is a special lesson.
I am already excited.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, feel the story, and enjoy learning English.
Today, our topic is a peaceful day in Nara.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Nara.
Thanks, Emily. This place already feels peaceful.
That is a wonderful first impression.
It feels different from Tokyo and Osaka.
Yes, Nara is calm, old, and beautiful.
I feel like I can slow down here.
That is a very natural sentence. I feel like I can slow down here.
I feel like I can slow down here.
It means this place makes you feel calm.
Nara feels quiet, but not boring.
Exactly. It is quiet, but it has a deep history.
I like that. Quiet, but full of stories. Emily, look, there are deer everywhere.
Yes. Welcome to Nara Park.
They are so cute. I can't stop smiling.
That is a great emotional sentence.
I can't stop smiling.
It means you are so happy that you keep smiling.
I can't stop smiling.
Some deer may come close to you.
What should I say?
You can say, "Please be gentle."
Please be gentle.
Good. And we should also be gentle with the deer.
Yes, they are not toys. They are living animals.
That is very important.
This moment feels special.
Beautiful. This moment feels special.
Can we feed the deer?
Yes, you can buy special deer crackers.
Deer crackers. That sounds interesting.
Here is a useful phrase. Can I buy some deer crackers?
Can I buy some deer crackers?
Very good.
Oh, this deer is coming closer.
Stay calm and hold the cracker carefully.
Stay calm. Okay, I can do this.
You can say, "I feel a little nervous."
I feel a little nervous.
That is honest and natural.
The deer took it. That was amazing.
You sounded very happy.
I am happy. This is my favorite moment so far.
Now, let's walk to Todai-ji Temple.
Todai-ji. Is it famous?
Yes, it is one of the most famous temples in Nara.
The road feels beautiful.
You can say, "This path is beautiful."
This path is beautiful.
Good. Path means a road or a way for walking.
I can see trees, deer, and old buildings.
Nice description.
It feels like walking through history.
That is a beautiful expression. It feels like walking through history.
It feels like walking through history.
This sentence is perfect for Nara.
Wow, this hall is huge.
Yes, this is the Great Buddha Hall.
I feel so small here.
That is a powerful sentence.
I feel so small here.
It means the place is so big and impressive.
The Great Buddha is amazing.
You can say, it takes my breath away.
It takes my breath away.
Very emotional, very natural.
I do not want to speak loudly here.
That is respectful.
This place feels sacred.
Sacred means very special and holy.
This place feels sacred. Emily, can I ask about the history?
Of course, that is a great question.
How old is this temple?
Good. You can use that question anywhere. How old is this temple?
How old is this temple?
You can also ask, why is this place important?
Why is this place important?
Excellent. That is a very useful history question.
I want to understand the meaning, not just take pictures.
That is wonderful.
Travel feels deeper when I learn the history.
Beautiful sentence. Travel feels deeper when I learn the history.
Travel feels deeper when I learn the history.
After walking, let's try something sweet.
That sounds perfect.
Nara has many lovely local foods and sweets.
I want to try a local sweet.
Great sentence.
I want to try a local sweet.
Local means from this area.
This looks beautiful.
You can also say, it looks almost too pretty to eat.
It looks almost too pretty to eat.
Very nice. That has emotion.
The taste is gentle and sweet.
Nice description.
Nara is not loud, but it touches my heart.
That is a beautiful travel sentence. Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I feel like I can slow down here.
I feel like I can slow down here.
Number 2. I can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling.
Number 3. This moment feels special.
This moment feels special.
Number 4. It feels like walking through history.
It feels like walking through history.
Number 5. It takes my breath away.
It takes my breath away.
Number 6. Why is this place important?
Why is this place important?
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I feel like I can slow down here.
I feel like I can slow down here.
I can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling.
This moment feels special.
This moment feels special.
This path is beautiful.
This path is beautiful.
It feels like walking through history.
It feels like walking through history.
It takes my breath away.
It takes my breath away.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Little by little, we can improve.
Today, We visited Nara and practiced easy English.
We saw deer, walked through history, and visited a beautiful temple.
Nara was peaceful, emotional, and unforgettable.
I will remember this day for a long time.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What city should we visit next?
Kyoto, Tokyo, Osaka, or Hiroshima?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.